Hey Merrick, here's your car. It's all ready for you. It's custom painted Jägermeister 962. It's got some prototype green-yellow headlights. They're real low profile, so they fit nicely in behind the front wheels here. And of course, down the back side here, we have our extra large 5mm high-intensity flashing yellow hazard lights. One on each side, sticking out fairly far so everybody can see them. And of course I only put them in the back because, let's face it, once people get by you, they're just going to keep on going. They won't care what's in the rear view mirror. I think I heard that quote from a movie. Anyway, I like these flashing lights. They stay on pretty quite a long time. Anyway, hope you like your ride. Number 17, Jägermeister 962. See you in a week.